On February 24, 2025, the world of space exploration was illuminated not only by stunning images of cosmic phenomena but also by significant developments that could reshape NASA's future. Amidst breathtaking visual captures of light pillars over erupting volcanoes and the somber news of diversity initiatives being dismantled, the atmosphere was charged with both inspiration and concern. In an extraordinary display of nature's artistry, the astronomy picture of the day featured a striking image taken by photographer Davide Caliò showcasing a light pillar created by the volcanic eruption of Mount Etna in Italy. This phenomenon occurs when light interacts with ice crystals in the atmosphere, and in this case the fiery glow of the lava flow provided a rare and vivid spectacle. The image captured during the early morning hours serves as a reminder of the beauty found within our universe. Even as the scientific community grapples with political shifts and their implications for space endeavors. Concurrently, NASA's diversity and inclusion programs are facing unprecedented challenges following the recent signing of executive orders by former President Donald Trump aimed at dismantling diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) initiatives across federal agencies, including NASA. This move has left many advocates for diversity within the space agency, such as Edward Joseph Dwight Jr., the first black astronaut trainee, expressing deep concern over the potential erosion of progress made in diversifying the astronaut corps. Dwight, who finally realized his lifelong dream of space travel in 2024 at the age of 90, stated, "What he's doing is aimed at destroying everything that was built up over the years." The ramifications of these changes are still unfolding. Reports indicate that NASA has begun to retract programs celebrating diversity, including observances of Black History Month and initiatives aimed at increasing minority representation in STEM fields. Janet Petro, NASA's acting administrator, communicated the impact of the executive orders to employees, framing the cuts as a necessary response to the president's directive. Critics argue that these measures will undo decades of efforts to ensure that qualified individuals from all backgrounds have opportunities within the agency. In a parallel development, NASA is also making strides in technological advancements, as evidenced by the recent successful installation of a bulletproof sunshade on the much-anticipated Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Designed to block stray light and protect the telescope from micrometeoroid impacts, the deployable aperture cover will significantly enhance the instrument's ability to capture faint light from distant cosmic objects. This innovative technology, which includes layers reinforced with Kevlar, is expected to allow the telescope to launch no later than 2027 and will operate as a critical component in the ongoing quest to understand the universe. As NASA navigates these turbulent waters, employees have been advised to approach recent communications from the Office of Personnel Management with caution. An email requesting federal employees to report their weekly accomplishments has sparked anxiety, especially after Elon Musk's comments suggesting that failure to respond could be interpreted as resignation. The confusion surrounding this directive reflects a broader atmosphere of uncertainty within the agency as anticipated layoffs loom and leadership remains tight-lipped about future plans. The intersection of breathtaking astronomical imagery and pressing institutional changes paints a complex picture for NASA and its workforce. As the agency continues to grapple with its commitment to diversity against a backdrop of shifting political landscapes, the future of space exploration remains uncertain. However, advocates like Catherine Creedy, who champion diverse representation in aviation and space, encourage aspiring astronauts and space professionals to persist in their ambitions despite the upheaval. Looking forward, the landscape of space exploration will likely continue to evolve. With the Artemis program poised to send the first woman to the moon and innovative projects like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope on the horizon, the journey ahead holds great promise. Yet the challenges posed by changes in policy and funding underscore the need for resilience and commitment to inclusivity within the space community. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the hope remains that the vision of a diverse and equitable space program will ultimately prevail, ensuring that the next generation of explorers reflects the rich tapestry of humanity. In the realm of space exploration, where the extraordinary often becomes routine, two recent stories have captured public interest.
blending science with a touch of humor and innovation.
From the stunning visuals of volcanic phenomena to the lighthearted antics of astronauts, these narratives not only entertain but also highlight the ongoing advancements and challenges in understanding our universe.
On February 24, 2025, the Astronomy Picture of the day featured a breathtaking image of a light pillar generated by Mount Etna, Italy's most active volcano. Captured by photographer Davide Caliò, the image presents a surreal scene where the glowing magma from an erupting volcano illuminated the atmosphere, creating a rare optical phenomenon. The light pillar, typically formed by sunlight reflecting off ice crystals in the atmosphere, took on a unique character due to the fiery glow of the lava flow. This visual spectacle was made possible by the freezing temperatures above the volcano, which led to the formation of ice crystals in the air or in the condensed water vapor expelled by Etna. These crystals fluttering in the air reflected the vibrant light from the volcano, creating a striking column that seemingly extended into the sky. As the image circulated across various platforms, it served as a reminder of nature's beauty and the scientific principles that govern such phenomena, further igniting public interest in both astronomy and geology. In a delightful contrast to the natural wonders of the cosmos, NASA astronaut Don Pettit recently amused the internet with his unconventional method of getting dressed in microgravity.
In a video shared on February 21, Pettit demonstrated how he puts on his pants by jumping into them with both legs at once,
a method that has sparked laughter and admiration online.
His playful approach to a mundane task in the challenging environment of the International Space Station ISS resonated with viewers, showcasing the lighter side of life in space.
Pettit, a seasoned astronaut with over 370 days spent in space, is currently a flight engineer aboard the ISS as part of Expedition 72. His innovative dressing technique, which he aptly dubbed 2 legs at a time, not only highlights the everyday challenges faced by astronauts but also underscores the adaptability required in microgravity. "I thought you were going to land right in them at first," one user commented humorously, while others echoed sentiments of amazement at his smooth execution.
These two narratives, one grounded in the wonders of Earth and the other floating in the realm of space,
illustrate the multifaceted nature of scientific exploration.
The juxtaposition of the awe-inspiring light pillar with the light-hearted antics of an astronaut reminds us that while we strive to understand the universe, there is also joy to be found in the quirks of human experience, even in the most unconventional of settings. As we look ahead, these stories serve as a prelude to what is to come in the fields of astronomy and space exploration. With advancements in technology and the continued exploration of both our planet and beyond, the excitement surrounding scientific discovery remains ever present. Whether it's witnessing the majesty of natural phenomena or the endearing moments shared by astronauts aboard the ISS, humanity's quest for knowledge and understanding continues to unfold in remarkable ways. In an intriguing intersection of space exploration and public engagement,
NASA astronaut Don Pettit has delighted audiences around the world with a lighthearted demonstration of how to don pants in microgravity.
His unique approach, which involves jumping into his trousers with both legs simultaneously, has not only captured the imagination of social media users but also highlighted the whimsical side of life aboard the International Space Station ISS. Pettit, a seasoned astronaut with over 370 days spent in space across multiple missions, recently showcased his unconventional method in a video that has since gone viral. The clip shared on social media features him effortlessly descending into his floating trousers, a feat that transforms a mundane activity into a captivating spectacle.
2 legs at a time, he aptly captioned the video, succinctly summing up his playful approach to dressing in an environment where traditional methods can be quite the challenge.
As a flight engineer currently stationed on the ISS as part of Expedition 72, Pettit is no stranger to the peculiarities of life in space. His experience serves as a reminder that the daily routines of astronauts are often anything but ordinary. The humorous nature of his video has resonated with viewers, igniting a flurry of comments online.
One amused user remarked, "I thought you were going to land right in them at first. Ha ha.
That might be fun to try," while another praised his technique, saying, "That's so smooth."
Damn! Such interactions underscore the joy and curiosity that space exploration inspires in people.
The timing of Pettit's video comes as NASA prepares for a significant year ahead. The space agency is gearing up for various missions aimed at advancing scientific research and exploration, including potential crewed missions to the Moon and Mars. As public interest in space travel continues to soar, the lighthearted glimpses into the lives of astronauts like Pettit serve not only to entertain but also to foster a deeper connection between the public and the scientific community. In a broader context, the fascination with space travel is reflected in upcoming events such as the Viva Fresh Expo,
where NASA astronaut Jose Hernandez is set to deliver a keynote address. Hernandez's involvement highlights the ongoing efforts to engage audiences in discussions about the future of space exploration and its implications for humanity. As we look ahead, the intersection of entertainment and education in space exploration will likely continue to evolve. The ability of astronauts to connect with the public through relatable and humorous moments such as Pettit's unconventional dressing routine may play a crucial role in inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. With the universe becoming increasingly accessible to human curiosity, the adventures of astronauts both in and out of their spacesuits will undoubtedly remain a source of intrigue and inspiration, and a significant step towards inclusivity in aeronautics research. NASA has awarded its first grant through the University Student Research Challenge USRC to a community college project. This initiative reflects the agency's commitment to expanding access to research opportunities beyond traditional four-year institutions, recognizing that innovation can emerge from a diverse array of educational backgrounds. The recipient of this groundbreaking award is a team of students from Cerritos Community College in California who are pioneering a novel approach to wildfire management through their project, aptly named Project FIRE Fire Intervention Retardant Expeller. The team, composed of 6 dedicated individuals, is exploring the use of uncrewed drones to deploy biodegradable pellets designed to extinguish fires in an environmentally friendly manner. Wildfires are a major problem we're facing today, said Angel Ortega, the project's technical director and lead research engineer. The goal of our research is to demonstrate that our prototype drone with biodegradable fire retardant can successfully put out a controlled fire. Historically, the USRC has focused on participants from established four-year universities, making this award a notable shift in strategy. Stephen Holes, who oversees the USRC award process, emphasized the program's aim to nurture tomorrow's aeronautical innovators. All of the opportunities are different and help build knowledge and skills that would be advantageous to those wanting to continue working on UI opportunities or within NASA, he stated. The timing of the award coincided with the devastating wildfires that swept through Los Angeles in January 2025, underscoring the urgency and relevance of the team's research. In a collective statement, the Project FIRE team expressed their solidarity with those affected, stating, "As a team, we are deeply committed to advancing innovative solutions to enhance safety and resilience, working toward a future where communities are better protected against such disasters." The project's innovative concept involves releasing eco-friendly foam pellets from drones. Upon reaching the ground, these pellets combine to form a fire-retardant solution that is harmless to the environment. The team's efforts have involved consultations with firefighters, ensuring that their technology aligns with real-world needs and operational challenges. Project FIRE is not the team's first foray into research collaboration with NASA. They previously garnered recognition at NASA's 2024 Gateway to Blue Skies competition, where they won the Future Game Changer Award. This experience, according to Operations Director Logan Stahl, was both supportive and inspiring. "We thought competing against some of the other schools would be intimidating, but the experience we've had is the complete opposite," he said. As they embark on this research journey, the team is optimistic about the potential impact of their work, not just for wildfire management but as a beacon for community college students. Paula Mayoral Jimenez, the laboratory coordinator, highlighted the significance of their participation, saying, "By doing this project, we hope to shine a light on community colleges, their students, and what they have to offer.
In a broader context, this award from NASA signifies a trend towards recognizing and valuing the contributions of community colleges in the field of aeronautics and beyond. As the agency continues to develop its research initiatives, the implications of this grant may extend far beyond immediate wildfire solutions, potentially reshaping the landscape of research in aviation and environmental safety.
Looking ahead, NASA's commitment to inclusivity in research will be tested against the backdrop of ongoing challenges in diversity and workforce representation within the agency.
With initiatives like Project FIRE, there is hope that a new generation of innovators will emerge equipped to tackle the pressing challenges of our times while redefining the future of aeronautics. As the project progresses, it will be crucial to monitor how such community-driven efforts can influence broader policy and funding decisions at NASA and inspire similar initiatives across the nation. In a significant stride toward lunar exploration, Intuitive Machines is preparing to launch its second lunar lander Athena under NASA's auspices. Set to lift off this week on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, this mission not only continues the legacy of the company's previous successful landing but also marks a crucial phase in NASA's broader Artemis program, aimed at establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon as a precursor to future missions to Mars. Intuitive Machines first made headlines in February 2024 when its lunar lander Odysseus became the first commercially built spacecraft to successfully land on the Moon, a historic achievement that reinvigorated U.S. lunar ambitions following decades of dormancy since the Apollo missions. The upcoming mission, known as IM-2, aims to build on that success by deploying Athena to hunt for water beneath the lunar surface, a vital resource for future crewed missions. Athena, a six-legged Nova C lander, will carry an array of scientific instruments including a drill and a mass spectrometer. These tools are designed to analyze the lunar regolith for potential gases and other resources critical for sustaining human life. NASA, as the primary customer under its Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) initiative, is investing in this venture to explore cost-effective methods for lunar exploration without the need for developing its own spacecraft. The mission is particularly timely, coinciding with a broader fleet of uncrewed lunar landers scheduled for launch in 2025 as NASA gears up to send astronauts back to the Moon by 2027. The lunar South Pole, where Athena is set to land, is believed to harbor water ice which could be vital for drinking, breathing, and even producing rocket fuel, thus facilitating longer missions to Mars. The launch window opens on February 26, with the target landing date set for March 6. If successful, Athena will touch down near Mons Mouton, a plateau that is part of a region rich in potential resources. This mission's objectives extend beyond merely locating water. It also includes testing a Nokia 4G LTE communications system and deploying a propulsive drone for surface exploration. However, as the Artemis program gains momentum, it faces uncertainties stemming from recent leadership changes within NASA. The departure of several key officials, including Jim Free, the associate administrator who championed the Artemis program, raises questions about the program's future direction. There are concerns that shifting political priorities, particularly under the Trump administration, may divert attention and resources away from lunar initiatives in favor of Mars missions. Despite these challenges, the excitement surrounding Athena's launch underscores the growing role of private companies in space exploration. Intuitive Machines' commitment to lunar exploration is a testament to the evolving landscape of space travel, where commercial enterprises play an increasingly pivotal role alongside governmental agencies. Looking ahead, the successful deployment of Athena could pave the way for a new era of lunar exploration, providing invaluable data and experience that will inform future missions, including the highly anticipated return of humans to the Moon. As NASA continues to navigate the complexities of its Artemis program, the upcoming lunar missions will be crucial in determining the feasibility of establishing a sustained human presence on the Moon and eventually Mars. In a groundbreaking leap for commercial space exploration, Intuitive Machines is poised to launch its second lunar lander Athena for NASA. The mission, set to lift off aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Kennedy Space Center in Florida, aims to explore the Moon's South Pole, a region of immense scientific interest due to the potential presence of water ice. Scheduled for February 26, 2025, this mission not only marks a continuation of Intuitive Machines' pioneering efforts but also plays a crucial role in NASA's broader Artemis program, which seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon and pave the way for future missions to Mars. Intuitive Machines made headlines last year when its first lunar lander Odysseus became the first commercially built craft to successfully touch down on the Moon. Although Odysseus landed awkwardly on its side, limiting its operational capabilities, it set a precedent in the burgeoning field of private lunar exploration. With Athena, the company aims for a more successful mission equipped with advanced scientific instruments designed to seek out water beneath the Moon's surface. NASA is one of several partners financing this endeavor under its Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) program, which enables cost-effective lunar deliveries without the need for developing proprietary spacecraft. Athena, a six-legged Nova Sea lander, is designed to carry up to 300 pounds of cargo, including a drill and a mass spectrometer. These instruments will be crucial in detecting gases and assessing the presence of water ice, which is vital for future lunar missions. Ice is a key volatile that we're interested in, says Adam Schlesinger, project manager of CLPS at NASA's Johnson Space Center. The ability to extract water could provide essential resources for astronauts, including drinking water and rocket fuel, significantly reducing the cost and complexity of human exploration beyond the Earth. The mission's scientific objectives are complemented by a series of innovative technologies. Athena will deploy a Nokia LTE 4G communication system to test cellular technology on the Moon alongside a propulsive drone designed to hop across the lunar terrain. Additionally, a laser retroreflector array will be activated, enabling precise measurements for future missions. The landing is targeted for March 6, 2025, near Mons Mouton, a plateau close to the Moon's south pole, an area believed to harbor significant deposits of water ice. Simultaneously, another lander from Firefly Aerospace named Blue Ghost is en route to the Moon and is set to land shortly before Athena. This overlap of missions underscores the increasing momentum of lunar exploration driven by both NASA and private companies. The Artemis program envisions the Moon as a critical stepping stone for preparing astronauts for Mars, with plans to land humans on the lunar surface by 2027. The IM-2 mission represents a significant investment in the future of lunar exploration and the emerging commercial space economy. NASA and the space industry are creating a new business getting science and payloads to the surface of the Moon, notes Laura Forczig, founder of the space consultancy Astrolytical. The success of this mission could catalyze further partnerships between government agencies and private firms, demonstrating the viability of commercial lunar missions. As the launch date approaches, the excitement surrounding the mission is palpable. The potential findings from Athena could not only inform future lunar expeditions but also reshape humanity's understanding of water resources beyond Earth. With the Artemis program at the forefront, the coming years promise to be pivotal for lunar exploration, setting the stage for humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos.